Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to turn on out of office response auto replies in Yahoo Mail. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to log in your Yahoo account in any browser. And then open lang natin ang ating Chrome web browser. And then once nakapag-login ka na, so makikita mo dito, ito yung older versions ng Yahoo Mail. Ito yung basic Yahoo Mail. Alright? So there are settings that are no longer available or easy to access in terms of settings up this auto reply. However, you might have to do a couple of changes in order to access it, and then I'll show you in this tutorial. The first things, if you're using the basic Yahoo Mail interface, you are going to have to switch on the standard versions of Yahoo Mail in order to enable auto reply. So there used to be an auto replies option on the left side panel, but this is no longer available on that versions of Yahoo Mail. You got to switch on standard versions. Kung paano ba tayo mag-switch to standard versions? So dito lang sa upper right side, makikita mo dito yung switch to the standard versions of Yahoo Mail. So click mo lang yan. Okay, so once nakapag-switch na tayo to standard versions of Yahoo Mail, and then dito lang sa right side mga kaibigan ay makikita mo dito yung icon settings. So i-click mo lang yan. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung more settings. So click lang natin yan. At dito lang sa left side panel, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung out of office response. Ito yung auto reply. So click lang natin yan. And then makikita mo kaagad dito yung out of office response. Set an automatic reply to incoming messages when you are on holiday or out of office. So turn on out of office response. So dito lang sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-turn on tong button niya. So once na turn on mo na or na-enable, so pwede mo na itong i-set up. So una, kailangan mong i-set up itong date, month, and year mga kaibigan. So tap mo lang yan. And then select mo lang dito kung anong date. And then dito naman mga kaibigan, same naman dyan sa expiration niya kung kailan may expired. Okay, so once na-set up mo na tong date kung kailan may expired, and then dito sa compose your message below using stationery, and then pwede kang gumamit dito ng GIFs and more. So type mo lang dito kung anong gusto mong message, and then next ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung save, or pwede mo namang i-customize dito, nandito yung mga pwede mong gamitin ng mga options mga kaibigan. And then next ay click mo lang dito yung save, right? And then next step, so pwede mo naman itong i-delete. Okay, so same, click mo lang yan. Click mo lang tong date, and then dito sa baba mga kaibigan, scroll down, and then makikita mo dito yung remove out of office response. So pwede mo itong i-delete. Okay, so click mo lang yung remove. Ayan. Okay, so out of office response has been removed. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to set up email auto reply in Yahoo Mail. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.